I expect you all to do this in your home. Install VirtualBox if possible in your desktop or laptop. Okay, this will help. You can download VirtualBox. I have given the link in one of, another information I want to give before telling it here. I have created one GitHub repository for this course. Okay, so here, if you go to my repository, Panch Nayak, here I have this one, Kubernetes Dev repository. Okay, this is I have created, and here mostly whatever you have to do, I'll write it here. Okay, so that in fact you can clone it, this repository. Every class, every Sunday, I'll have updates here. And lesson 1, if you see here, today I have created this, and I have also given how to start it. Container basics, preparing the development environment, how you can do it. Install the VirtualBox. And if you want to know how to install VirtualBox, I have some videos on my YouTube channel. You can follow them. I'm not going to teach, because if I teach every basics here, we'll get late. And because which is already done and it's available on my YouTube channel, you can follow it to install VirtualBox in your laptop. And you can also install CentOS inside it. And I expect next class, in the next session, this need to be done. I expect whoever attending, please take this first step of creating the development environment. Because even if you don't want to do a lot of hands-on, but at least you should have some basic hands-on capability to understand, because theory you can obviously understand, I know, but it is always fun also to try your hand. It will not be too difficult, because simple copy paste, if you do, you can get it. I'll make it that simple so that you just copy paste and you will get what you want. Okay, this is today I did it, so I didn't have much time to make it really easier, but my focus will be to make it very easy and easy to understand so that you can follow easily. Okay, going back. So that's the VirtualBox. Then create a CentOS VM inside the VirtualBox. Then install Docker inside the VM and install Git. Git, if you install, obviously you can clone this complete. You don't have to copy paste. You'll be able to clone it completely. So I'll tell you how to clone it. The complete repository can be cloned, so that you will download all the commands, everything, and you can just copy paste. Or you can, if you don't want to clone it, that's fine also. You simple just copy and run it. Okay.